Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back to the Jarman Experience. It's your boy Dim.
And I'm Tay.
Today is a special Sunday.
Swim Sunday.
It's Swim Sundays. Taking Riot to swimming classes. We started doing it last summer.
Yes.
And now we back at it again.
So the swim class that we take Riot to is a little bit far from our house. She's almost 2, but for some time she's gonna need a parent in the water with her, so we alternate. So this week I'll be getting in the water with her. So I already have on my swimsuit, and I have to just bring my change of clothes and things, and Dim is going to be the parent, you know, outside of the water, cheering us on. Yeah. Okay, say hi, baby. Oh, okay. It's kind of cold today, so we got her fully dressed, but she does have a swimsuit on. We didn't put a swim diaper on her yet. When we get there, we'll switch the diapers, because if the girl pees in the
while we there,
it will go through everything.
That's gonna be a mess. And
it will be a mess. I'll show you some of the things that we're putting in the bag. So this Dane Dover bag, we got it as a baby shower gift, and it's one of Raya's
go-to bags for
baby bags. So I'm just packing it. Make sure she has enough diapers. With diapers, she needs these plastic bags. These go with her diapers, and also her wet swimsuit can go in here too. This is so cute. This is like her towel. So
right, I love that thing.
An extra outfit just in case she messed up her pants or something. And then I also just have some lotion. And we use this as a diaper cream for Raya, so Vaseline. That's pretty much it. What we'll add to the bag, of course, is like a sippy cup, some water, for her to eat snacks and things, so she can keep herself our regular go-to things. But that's like the additions for swimming. Of course, I have my towel here and stuff so that I can change, because I am getting in the water today.
Yes. Raya, you ready to go, Raya? We just got here. Running late like usual. Always running late.
No, we got like a few minutes.
We got a few minutes, so we rushing right now. Raya, are you ready? You ready, Raya? Raya. Oh, you ready?
So this is part of it. Going up the stairs. It's a lot of stairs.
We made it on time. Raya is in the water now. This is her first time being in the water since like last year. We're back at it right now. Dip in the water. Let's see what you gonna do.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Dip. Whoa. Raya, how was swim? Huh?
So Raya is not happy. She wants to go back in the pool. She's taking off the towel. It's
done.
Okay. It's okay. Now go bye-bye. Let's go to Starbucks. Starbucks.
She don't care for Starbucks
she's
right
not happy. So we're about to get changed and get up out of here.
Yeah, she want to get in the water.
It was about to get real. It was about to get real. I thought I lost my pants. Just imagine going home with no pants in the middle of the city, like. But apparently I like wrapped all my stuff up and put it inside. It went inside my sleeve of my jacket because my clothes were inside. So I found it. I got pants on. Got on pants. So I guess what we'll do next, because Raya is going to be taking a nap very soon. We'll do a Starbucks date and we'll head home.
Yeah, it's a little chilly.
Remy.
So overall, swim was great. We got our Starbucks.
Yes, sir. Got the matcha.
And Raya got hers in her bottle. I think swim went well. I found my pants.
Yo, I'm like, people stealing pants out here? Pants stealers?
Pant thieves.
pant thieves.
So that's good. I don't have to walk to my car in a towel. That's embarrassing. Maybe you could have probably went to TJ Maxx and grabbed me some pants.
Oh yeah, real quick.
And brought them back.
Yeah, because there's a TJ Maxx literally across the street from the swim school.
Yeah. Overall, I think the swim is good. Raya like got in the water. She was comfortable, like I expected her to. She really enjoyed it last summer, and they picked off where she left off. They did a
lot of submerging.
A lot of submerging, back floating, front floating, bubbles, kicking. The goal is not for her to learn how to swim.
Get comfortable with water.
It's just for them to get comfortable with the water.
Yeah.
And it's fun for her. Like, she enjoys it, so why not have like an activity for her to do each week that she can look forward to, especially in the summer. That's pretty much it. I think
she didn't even want to leave, man.
No, she didn't want to leave.
She was upset at us.
So we got a few more weeks of this to go. June right now, and we're going all the way into the last week of August.
What is it, like 6 Sundays you said?
I forgot.
Oh.
I don't know what I signed us up for. But first day of swim, thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
If you have any questions about our swim classes or how we got Raya enrolled or any suggestions, please
comment below.
And if you haven't
already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Thank you for tuning in.